everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put this cast iron to good work. Inspiration from Mr. Cast Iron. Check out his channel. After you watch this video twice, subscribe to it, comment 10 times, and strong arm 3 of your friends to do the same. But definitely check out his channel. Cast iron is great for everything. We're going to use this today, but for what? Why are we going to be using this heavy equipment and machinery? Well, we're making an apple crisp, and you know from watching this channel that we love apples. So apples, love apples. We have a bunch of other different types of videos coming, all featuring the apple. So, apple crisp. Maybe you've heard of apple crumble, apple pie, you know, apple everything. That's what we like. We love apples. So the apple crisp came around first in print in 1924, but during World War II in Britain, they came up with the apple crumble. And we think that that was to replace the more extravagant apple pies, you know, based on what was happening there at that time. And both of them are baked fresh fruit, right? So that's same. You know, in this case, it's apples, butter, sugar, flour, and oats. The difference is in the crisp, those oats get crispy, and in a crumble, they stay a little bit more dense and cakey. So think more of like a streusel, you know, very rich. But either way, we need to get started. We have a couple, 2, maybe more, I don't want to call them secret ingredients. We'll call them twists that make things better here for you today. Look at that mega apple stack. At least 2 different types of apples in there. Were you paying attention? Do you know what they are? Do we need you to show them over here? Graham cracker crumbs. Ooh, look at those spices. Look at the crumble. Did you catch the cardamom? Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to this video. Don't forget to ring that bell. And don't forget to check out Mr. Cast Iron. And don't forget to rewatch this and go get apples, do this recipe, enjoy it, and we'll see you next week.